Raymond. Homok versus Maglacion. Maglacion on the rebound to Pinaso. Nakuha ni jersey number 16 Acosta. To Suarez. Suarez to Pipito. Libre. Amores on the rebound. 14 seconds to shoot. To jersey number 1. Suarez 10 seconds to shoot. Pinaso on the rebound. Jersey number 20 Diputado. Jersey number 14, no good. Rebound home to Suarez. Suarez to Pipito. Di atras, ipasakan Amores. Attempt for 3. Diputado. Tumangon dato. To Diputado, 14 seconds shot clock. Pinasa, attempt for 3. Rebound Pipito. Pipito drive, Pipito blocked by Maglacion. Move saved by Suarez. Foul. Jersey number 9, Pipito. First personal foul, first team foul. Diputado to Pinaso. 14 seconds to shoot, Maglacion. To Salon, to Mangundato. Turnover. Suarez. Easy 2 points. Suarez. Jersey number 1. Pinaso. Jersey number 5. Suarez. Drop pass to Acosta. Fake. Acosta. Turnover. MVP Farm Basketball. Jersey 5, Pinaso. To Mangundato, 14 seconds to shoot. Pinaso drive. Pinaso to Diputado, attempt for 3. 2 points, Diputado. Suarez to Homok. Homok is back to Suarez. Suarez attempt for 3. 3 points, Suarez. Pinaso to Mangundato. 30 seconds to shoot. Rebound Acosta to Suarez. Suarez attempt for 3 again. Out of bounds, MVP Farm, 3 minutes 55 seconds. Pinaso, foul. Jersey number 9, Pipito. Second personal foul, second team foul, NHA. Diputado. 14 seconds to shoot. Diputado, turnover. Nakuha ni Amores. To Acosta. Acosta. No good. Rebound Pinaso. Jump ball violation. MVP Farm Basketball. Diputado to Pinaso. Suarez. 2 points. Mangundato fake. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points, Mangundato. Pipito. To Acosta. To Suarez. 14 seconds shot clock. Cross pass to Amores, 10 seconds to shoot. Repeat to fake, 6 seconds to shoot.
TN. Ay.
MVP Farm Basketball. 2 minutes 35.
Raisin. Uyo lagi isa.
Diputado. Tumangon Dato. To Diputado again. Attempt for 3. Rebound Suarez. 2 minutes 20. Very good. Rebound is Suarez. Suarez. 2 points. Two minutes. 14 seconds shot clock. Pinaso foul. Who's foul left? Jersey number 11. Homo, first personal foul. 13 foul.
Sige na, sige na, sige na.
1 minute 50. Fourteen seconds to shoot. Grabing pasahan. Acosta, pull-up jumper, short. Rebound Salon. Tubaglas siya to Pinaso. 1 minute and 30. 14 seconds to shoot. 1 minute 20. What's the threat? Jersey number 22. Maglasyon. First personal foul, first team foul. Three points, Mendiola.
Pero sa kita gait sa ba kayo anak baga pilon.
One minute remaining time. Foul. Jersey number 0, Amores. First personal foul, warning for team penalty. Remaining time 58 seconds. One point. 55. 50. 14 seconds shot clock. 45 seconds.
Okay, sorry.
6 seconds to shoot.
Okay.
38 seconds. 35. 30. 20. Foul.
Lalayo kan tawag. Yati.
Who's
Nasa tungod ang isa kare-kare.
Jersey number 1. Suarez first personal foul, penalty celebration.
Layo yung tawag niya. Nasa tubangan ng
Remaining
isa.
time 17 seconds. 17 seconds.
Very good.
17 seconds. 17. Score 8 against 14 NHA.
Berta.
Subs ako.
Time for the timeout. 17 seconds for the first quarter.
Dan mahulog yung cellphone dia.
Kanang blue badge. Hindi na ito ibalin lang
Gatabo ng referee ng
dito sa unahan kay
Muna ni Tindog.
sa dalan sa mga taga-home owners. Salamat. 15 seconds. 10. 5.
Lah.
Balik na! Balik na!